while we were worshiping.
Well, grace in general is a character of God that is a combination of power, love, and mercy and kindness all wrapped into one, and he extends it to us when we don't even deserve it.